It's the 2013 BFit McLean Outdoor Adventure Expo. It's Saturday, April 27th from 10 to 4 p.m. It's a great day. It's an outdoor event here at the old firehouse in McLean. It's 1440 Chainbridge Road, McLean, Virginia. And the day is going to be filled with live music, vendors, a climbing wall, a Dutch oven cook-off, and even a gear swap where folks can come and bring their old used gear, adventure gear, and sell it. And so folks who either want to get involved in outdoors and have never gotten any gear, want to get a cheap introduction to the outdoor sports, can do that. Or folks that are seasoned vets who want to unload some of their old used gear can do that as well. So folks do need to pre-register for that. They can do that on our website at www.mcleancenter.org. And otherwise, it's a great family event. We've got bluegrass music from 10 to 3, and a food vendor, the Brat King, will be here. And then tons of great vendors with interactive displays at their booths, a climbing wall, all kinds of great things for the families to enjoy together. The event is important to the community because right here in McLean, we have so many outdoor resources right in our backyard with Great Falls National Park just down the road. There's tons of things right here that people just don't know about. So what we really wanted to do is get that awareness out there, get families involved in recreating outdoors with childhood obesity epidemic going on. We really want to do our part as a community organization to bring that information to the public.